Ooh, that's, ooh my gosh. Hey y'all. Happy Friday or happy weekend, depending on whenever I upload this video. I really want to share some products with you that I'm really enjoying that I think you guys should also check out. L'Oreal sent over a sample of their brand new Brilliant Eyes eyeshadow, and I haven't got to try it yet, so I'm gonna try it with you guys, and then I'm gonna share some products that I have tried that I am absolutely loving. And of course, I will post links down below if you guys wanna check them out for yourself. I don't ever wanna sound like sales pitchy or constantly be like, buy from my store or buy from my links and da-da-da, but it really does help me support my family. And just know that I am really grateful whenever you do purchase from my links. And I'm not out buying Louis Vuitton bags, Lamborghinis, or anything like that. It's literally making me feel like I'm actually doing something to help my family. It makes me feel good. It puts food on the table. It pays bills. So I'm very appreciative if you do make a purchase. But let's first get into this. They have 12 shades. It's supposed to be a high impact, high shimmer liquid eyeshadow that stays true all day long for 16 hours. Personally, I'm not wearing eyeshadow for 16 hours, but some people, I'm sure they do. But I'm going to test this out and just see if it is very high impact and shimmer and such like that. So this is going to be exciting. Like I said, it's available in 12 shades. Here are some of the shades. Hopefully you can get like a good look at it. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing great. Do you have any plans for this weekend? I don't have any that I'm aware of. What shade is this, first of all? This shade is Radiant Ruby. Let's see how this goes, but here is the packaging. I like that. Let's first off do a swatch. Here is the applicator. I don't smell anything, so that's a good sign. Let's just do a little swatch. Ooh, that's, ooh my gosh. You guys, that right there, whoa, that's pigmented and super, super creamy. I'm excited to put this on my eye. All right, so all I've done was put on some powder foundation, my 4-in-1 Pure Cosmetics. I did my brows, but I've done nothing else. This says you don't even need to prime your lid, so that's good. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. It's gonna get in the gig of my eye. Okay, so that went on pretty well. I'm not feeling like any type of burning or anything like that, but I'm actually gonna take, holy crap, that kind of dries down quick. Whoa, okay, so it dries down quick, so if you want to like blend it out, you better get to it, because I was like, wait a minute, is that not gonna budge? But okay, there it is. Okay, how we feeling? It feels nice. It doesn't feel like heavy on my eyelid right now. The formula is drying down. It's not tacky. Okay, I wonder how this would play along with something else, you know what I mean? And then I'll throw this one on. I just can't get over the color payoff. That is pretty impressive. And I'm also impressed with the fact that it's not like tingling or burning my eyes. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get that one in there really, really quick. Okay, let's see, how well is it? It seems to like blend out really well. Oh wow, I brought that. Oh my gosh. See, this is why I told y'all I don't like doing makeup in real time on my channel, because I just mess it up so much. Okay, but yeah, okay. Well, here it is. Here is the Ruby, or Radiant Ruby. I think it's a pretty color. It's a pretty color, not too bad. Is it settling into my lines? I mean, it doesn't feel like drying or cakey, so that's good. Okay, cool, cool, cool. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair it with another eyeshadow that I really like, since we're talking about products that I enjoy. So I'll be right back. Okay, and I am back. Here is one of my fave eyeshadow palettes. This is from Tarte Cosmetics. It's really pretty, and this is kind of like an everyday go-to. I really enjoy it. The mattes really pay off well. The pigments pay off really well. And, you know, I haven't tried a whole lot from Tarte, but this palette, yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. I guess I'm just going to do like a quick little something right here. Okay, so yeah, this is a really nice palette. It's the Sunrise palette. I really like it. I think it applies well. It's fun to play with. I think I'm gonna just like add a little bit more of this again so I can see how it lays over top, even though like it's not like too good with these colors, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna see how it works with a brush. Okay, I like that with the brush. Looks like it's working with a brush too. So that's good. Yay. Yay, yay, yay. And I don't think it's accentuating my wrinkles too bad. So that's also a plus, because I do have little eye wrinkles. I'm 35, so it's gone to happen. Oh, I took it too far right there. Ugh. You guys make me nervous. That's why I'm like, I don't even know how to do my makeup right now. Okay, but yeah. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, so next up, I'm going to share my favorite mascaras with you guys. I have the Il Makiage Black Card, and I have the Sky High Maybelline Mascara. This is currently out, but I absolutely love it. It's a bit more of a higher end mascara. I'm pretty much out of it, but I wonder, could I get a little bit on my lashes? I don't know, but this is what the applicator looks like. See if you can get into that. It spreads really nice, really evenly. It really gives my lashes a whole lot of volume and length, which I absolutely love. I think it separates them really well. I do want to get more of this, but I think it's like 23 bucks. It's kind of on the higher end. So this is something that I have to splurge on. I just can't pick it up whenever I want to. But I also think it actually helped make my eyelashes grow, because I was using this a lot, like every single day, even whenever I wasn't even going anywhere. And I noticed that my lashes were getting longer. So I looked at the ingredients list, and one of the ingredients that is in there, I think it's some sort of seed oil or something like that, that actually does help growth. So check this out if you're looking to make your lashes longer. Mind you, my lashes were much shorter than they are now, which they're not like super long now, but this definitely, I think, helped in growth. Now, whenever it comes to my current, this is the Sky High Mascara. You probably all know about this one. It was shown on TikTok. Everybody was hyping it, and I wanted to try it, and yeah, the hype, I agree, it is really nice. This is Cosmic Black. I really like the applicator right here. It really does help lengthen and elongate my lashes. It gives me volume, and this little, it wiggles. So I don't know, that's like really cool, kind of weird. Never really noticed that. I guess that like helps with making your lashes look pretty and fluffier, but this is a really nice one. And this is a lot more affordable. I really like it. The only thing, I think next time I'm going to get the waterproof, because I do notice that it kind of does like run down whenever my eyes are watering, and like that's so annoying. But all right, I'm going to put this on so I can show you guys. Like, you see that, like, already it's helped a sister out. Like, it's like, yes, honey, I got you, girl. We're gonna give them lashes some life. And that is what they're doing. I like how like the tip is small enough to get in the corner if you want it to do that as well. And you can just put on the coats as many as you want. I kind of like doing like a lot. Like I think I would do like 2 or 3 coats and I'm good. But I love it. I think it's like so pretty, and this is definitely going to be something that I continue to buy. But like I said, I think this is I'm going to switch to the waterproof one instead. Physicians Formula Diamond Plumper has really nice packaging. What shade is this? This is light pink princess cut. I wanted to try it because I had seen it on Instagram, so I bought it from Amazon, and I really do enjoy it. But the first time I tried it, I'm not gonna lie, I was like underwhelmed. This is what the doe foot applicator looks like. I was kind of underwhelmed because it didn't pick up a whole lot of product on the wand. So whenever I applied it, I was like, I don't really see the big deal. It was kind of like that. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna really dig in there. So I dug in there and oh my God. I love lip gloss. Like, it's so satisfying to see your lips go from dry and crusty to like wet and juicy, and like, ooh, yeah. But it feels really nice. It's supposed to plump up your lips. I think just the shine in general really does help my little lips look bigger, so I like that. I do have really small lips, but the shine's really nice. I feel like a little bit of tingle, but it's like nothing bad. There's kind of like, is that a scent? Like, yeah, it's kind of like a vanilla-y scent, but it's not like too overpowering. So if you're really not a scent person, it shouldn't bother you too much. But yeah, this is a really nice lip gloss, and I really like it. It makes your lips just look so pretty, and they feel really, really good as well. So Physicians Formula, the Diamond Plumper. Yeah, I like it. Okay, so the next one is this e.l.f. Putty Primer. I actually did a video on my Instagram, like showing how this like literally just evicts your pore from your skin. This is a really, like, it feels like so weird. It looks like this, but it really does such an amazing job at just getting rid of those pores and like giving you a nice canvas that you can just like do your makeup on. And then it becomes like a little bit tacky, so then you put your foundation on and it wears really, really nice. I was like worried because I was like, there's no way this thing is that good, but it really it is that good. I really like it. I don't notice any kind of weird smells. It doesn't give me any kind of irritation. It just makes my pores seem less prominent, and it gives me a really nice base for my foundation to help it wear for as long as I need it to. Normally I wear makeup for about 6, 7, sometimes 8 hours, and it does a real good job. But I have foundation on, powder foundation, but I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. I'm gonna just go over it. I don't even know if it's gonna, you're not really supposed to put this over foundation, but that's what we're doing today on Gigi Epic's YouTube channel. So that is what it looks like. Here's my pores over here, and then here's what I just did. If you want to see this go on skin that doesn't have foundation on it, check out my Instagram video, because you will find that excuse me, on there. So yeah, these are my current go-tos. This is about to go to the trash because it's almost gone. But like, yeah, I'm really, really enjoying them. And like I said, if you want to check these products out, you can definitely do that. And remember, this is the newness from L'Oreal if you want to check that out. Let's get in the gig again. Yeah, girl, let's do it. But I hope you're all doing wonderful, and I hope you all have an amazing weekend. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you want to see. Would you guys like to see PR unboxings and see what I got this week in PR? It's like I got some like hair stuff. I don't think I got any makeup. I think it's mostly like hair growth stuff. and some skincare. But if y'all want to see that, let me know. Let me know what you want to see. Got any questions? Ask me. Maybe I can answer them in my next video. But yeah, subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you liked it. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed weekend. Mwah. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching if you made it this far.